Welcome back to the Dojoers. I'm Rachel, and on today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to add a column and an image to a section. Let's get started. I'm on my page where I would like to see the update. I'm going to scroll to my section where I want to add the column and the image. It's going to be upgrades and replacements. In here, you have your section, and where the content lives is a column. So in order to add another column, you have two options. You can add it to the right or to the left. You simply click the plus sign. Let's do the right. Okay, your column is added. Now let's add an image. To get to your image, you go to your left-hand panel, click Widgets, and you're gonna look for image. It's right here at the top. You simply drag and drop. All right, your image picker opens. Now you have the opportunity to pick an image that fits this section best. Let's do this one. All right, let's add a little bit of alt text. Perfect. You're gonna hit the X. Just to reiterate, you're gonna come to your page, you go to your section, you're going to click the plus sign on the right or the left that opens up the column. Here's your column. And then you're gonna go to your left-hand panel where your widgets live. You drag and drop your image widget, and then your image picker opens, and then you're going to connect the image that fits best. And then you check out. And there you have a content and image section. All right, you guys, hopefully you found that helpful. If you need more guidance, check out the next episode. Thanks for watching.